Hello everybody out there on YouTube, it's me James once again, and today I have something very special for you. So, one of my friends, who goes by the username of Manders channel, he is the same guy, or the same Manders I should say, who brought his N-scale Conrail consist that I filmed at the Plano train show in January. And he has given me this E8 unit. It is special because it is a Texas and Pacific engine, and you really don't see a lot of T&P stuff being modeled in really any scale. So it's very nice to have. The only problem is that there's a lot of scratches, a lot of missing parts, but mechanically the engine is sound. It has couplers on both sides that are functional. It is HO scale, as you can see. And here's one of the major problems though. The shell has taken a massive beating and needs cleaning and all sorts of stuff. So I will clean it, and once I do, I'll show you guys in another video. But here's the setup here. Now what's cool is that this engine actually has a functioning Mars light at the front. Also it has crew figures. I will repaint these later so that way you can actually see them in the cab proper, along with maybe some of the controls. But yeah. It's really nice, and it's got the directional lighting and everything. It's DC, not DCC. And if you're wondering why I'm only showing it from this angle, well, this angle is the nicer of the two. Because if I ever showed you the other side, you'd probably puke, missing a lot of parts. But then again, it's going to be really cool. And I just wanted to make this video thanking him for giving the model to me to repair and eventually sell off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you soon.